Hi guys, welcome back to another new video, and today's video is very special if you want to make money online and if you want to start your freelancing journey. I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can make money on Fiverr and using AI, and it's pretty simple. If you are a student and if you are a housewife and if you want to start your side hustle and if you want to really make money using AI, so this video for you. So no more delay, let's get started. So before jumping into the video, if you are first time watching this tutorial, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator, and I make videos how you can make money online, how you can start your freelancing journey, how you can start your YouTube channel, and then you can make money. Okay, so this is my Fiverr account. So many ways you can make money on online, like you can selling your digital products, you can sell your skills. That's mean if you know how to create AI images, if you know how to create AI videos, and if you convert any files to another file, so you can make money, and it's one of the easiest way you can make money, guys. So right now I am in my Fiverr account. So if you don't know what is Fiverr, Fiverr is a second platform where you can make money, like you can trust after Upwork. Okay, so Fiverr is one of the great platform. The freelancers and buyers, they can sell and they can buy. So if you are a buyer, this is a platform for you also, and also if you are a seller, that's mean if you want to really make money, so this platform will help you a lot. So right now I am in my Fiverr account, and I will show you how you can easily make money like doing Ghibli style portraits photo. So just search on Fiverr Ghibli style portraits. So if you don't have any Fiverr account, just create the Fiverr account as a seller account. It's pretty simple, guys. Okay, so and then just go to Fiverr and search Ghibli style portraits, and you will find the suggested keywords like Ghibli style, Ghibli art, because these Ghibli styles photos are trending right now. As you know, the internet, you will go internet, TikTok video, shorts video, reels video, and you will find the viral videos. Okay, so it's really fun to create this kind of images. You can see in the results, really surprising, 159 results only. That's been the very low competitor. Okay, so as you know, if when you start your online business or when you start any job preparation, so definitely you check out the number of people that your competitor, well, that's really matter. Okay, so the low competition, that's perfect for you, that's fit for you, because as a beginner, as a new seller, I think you got it my point. As a new seller, you can rank your Fiverr gig, and then you can got your first order very easily. That's amazing. Okay, so let's say comparison like Ghibli style portraits 159, but if you search one on Fiverr also, how many competitors, that's mean how many sellers they are already selling these services. You can see, look, 1,50,000 1,50,000 results coming here. That's mean the huge number of competition over here. So that's why always you should check out the number of results and also the competitors, okay, so that you can get good results. So this is the win-win situation Ghibli style portrait, and you can do it very easily using the AI tools. So how you can do this? So before starting the practical work, you can check out the images, that's mean the gig images. It's called gig, Fiverr gig. Here you can see 57 already completed, 2, 1, 3, that's are the beginner. Okay, so here you can see. So how you can do this, I will show you the step-by-step tutorials, so don't worry at all, and how you can create the photo. So actually what is this Ghibli style photo? So it's a, like you can see, it's a real photo, and you can create as a art style, and the art, the feature, it's called Ghibli. So there are different styles you can check out, but the trending is Ghibli. So that's why you can create a gig on this particular topic, and you can create the, so if you look at these images also, this is the genuine real images, and here you can see the art images. So it's really fun, really interesting, right? So you can use your own images, also you can use your family, friends, okay, and you can send them, so they will be surprised. Okay, I think this is the Cristiano Ronaldo, yeah, Okay, this is before after, you can see the before after results over here. Okay, that's amazing. Oh, this is the viral image. Yes, I can remember this. Okay, maybe you can notice, or you can see you can set as album, like also you can set as your profile picture, Facebook, Instagram. Also you can set as a logo. Okay, so it's time to generate. I think you got it, the our target style, that's been the Ghibli style, and it's time to create the how we can create. Okay, so the next point is we have to design. That's mean, okay, so we can use a tools, it's called flexclip.com, and you will visit their tool section and you will find the photo to Ghibli style. Very simple. So that's mean convert your photo to Ghibli style cartoon with AI. That's really crazy and that's easy. So open this tool, that's been click on that photo to Ghibli style. Here you can see already we land into the photo to Ghibli style, AI photo to Ghibli style studio, convert online. Okay, so upload your photo. So what kind of image and photo do you convert? You can see the as example. Okay, so it's time to upload our own photo. So I'm going to upload one of my family album or my photo, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to upload one of my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, I've already uploaded, so let's check it out. Okay, it's already loading, and maybe we have some options, like we can change the output, like the color or style. Okay, perfect. Now you can see this is our okay, so this is our thumbnail, free AI PowerPoint generator. So it was my last video's thumbnail. Okay, and here you can see the Ghibli style 1, Ghibli 2. So I think you can take 1 or 2, any of them, no problem. Also you will find the other styles. Okay, here you can see you can add different 3D style. Also you can check the Ghibli 2. Okay, I think it's pretty similar. So let's check it out, Ghibli 1. And also you can add prompt and image count if you need more than 1, so you can check it out. Okay, click on plus, and here you can see this is the sample of the images. It's amazing, it's really fun. So it's time to show you the real project. That's mean, so generate the here starting, and it will create our the Ghibli style photo. That's mean it will turn this thumbnail to the Ghibli style thumbnail. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so alright guys, so you can see this is our real image. Look at the image. Okay, and this is our created Ghibli style image. This is a thumbnail, guys, so also you can use as a thumbnail. Okay, perfect. So let's download this image. You can see it's a download button, you can easily download this. Okay, so also you can, I think it's pretty easy, one of the easiest way you can make money. That means you can send them to your buyer. You can get the more and more clients through your social media. So share this your picture all the social media platform, and you can get the audience like viewers, and then you can send them your offer. Okay, so also you can turn into image to video. That's another part, so I'm not going to show you. So this is one of the way you can earn money through Fiverr, like doing your freelancing work, and it's all about AI. So it's pretty simple. So just try this out, and if you have any queries, so you can comment below. Alright guys, so if you found this video is helpful, so don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any queries, and I will come back with a new tutorial. So stay tuned, see you in the next video.